Now you're watching this video because you want to know how to get free Microsoft rewards points in 2024. And I'm going to show you a brand new method, guys, that's going to get you 100,000 free points in Microsoft rewards. And it is super simple, guys. It's going to save you a ton of time because it takes ages to actually earn these points. I've managed to find a code that you can redeem on the Microsoft rewards platform. And it's going to bypass all of these steps, and you're going to get 100,000 points for completely free. So let's get into the tutorial. You can see I'm using a mobile phone, so just make sure you have a mobile, have an internet connection, and open up the internet browser and go to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons. This is a brand new coupon code website. They have tons of different pages on here. You need to find the Microsoft rewards page. So I'm going to go to the search bar, type in Microsoft, free Microsoft rewards points. Now, these codes are limited in number, as you can see, guys. This is the 100,000 free Microsoft rewards points. So click on show code. Now, because these codes are limited, the codes are protected, and this limits one code per person. So don't come on Robot Coupons if you want millions of points. You can only get 100,000 per person. Tap unlock code. And this is going to count up to 100%. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it, guys, because I don't want to waste these codes. But basically, you're going to see a new screen once that reaches the end, that loading screen. And you're going to basically have a set of instructions, guys. It's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It will take between 5 and 10 minutes to verify yourself. If this is your first time on Robot Coupons, this is basically a verification to prove you're not a robot, and complete a couple of tasks. Follow the instructions. Once you've done that, your code will then be unlocked. So you basically will be redirected back to this page, and your code will be revealed, and you can enter it into the Microsoft Rewards platform, and that's going to supply you with 100,000 free Microsoft Rewards points. So hope you found this video useful. Go to Robot Coupons, search for the Microsoft page, and go ahead and unlock your rewards points code. So smash that like button, and I'll see you next time, guys.